In this week's video, we're going to show you around the Iowa State Capitol building in Des Moines, Iowa. Did you know that Iowa's Capitol building was not in Des Moines originally? If you know where the Capitol building was before Des Moines, leave it in the comments below. No Googling it though. As we tour this outstanding landmark in Iowa, we will be going over who was in charge of constructing the Capitol building, when it was constructed, who all this building serves, and other facts you probably didn't know. Plus, we'll go over the latest controversy that was all over the news at the Iowa State Capitol a few months ago that you want to stay tuned in for at the end of this video. We want to thank all our subscribers and viewers. It's been an incredible journey with the Living in Iowa channel. But we did notice that over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers though, and we would love for all our viewers to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell so you are notified each week we come out with a new video. This really helps us and keeps us motivated to show off this beautiful state. We appreciate you and enjoy this week's video. Check out these stunning pictures of the Capitol building. It was a perfect day to show it off. As we enter into the Capitol building, you'll notice that there isn't much to see at the entrance, and once you get up to the doors to go in, there is a security you go through. The bottom level isn't much to write home about, but once you go upstairs, it becomes quite impressive. As we will show it off, I want to go over who was in charge of this masterpiece, and that is John C. Cochran and Alfred H. Pickenard. And the first cornerstone was laid on November 23rd, 1871, but believe it or not, severe weather and waterlogging deteriorated this cornerstone, and it was relaid in September 29th, 1873. The Capitol was completed June 29th, 1886, and originally they were given a budget of only $1.5 million to complete the construction, but it ended up costing over $2.8 million to construct. I do want to briefly talk about the fire that happened on January 4th, 1904 due to gas lights being converted into electricity. The fire swept through the areas that housed the Supreme Court and Iowa House of Representatives. Major restoration efforts have been made over the years, with the most recent restoration costing $41 million that started in the spring of 1983 and was completed in the fall of 2001. As a seat of Iowa General Assembly, the Capitol houses the Iowa Senate, Iowa House of Representatives, the office of the Governor of Iowa, and also the offices of the Attorney General, Auditor, Treasurer, and the Secretary of State. As you're touring, have you noticed in the interior the impressive designs that include many different wood of walnut, cherry, catapulta, butternut, and oak? Much of the interior has marble throughout, you will notice. One random fact is the dome, which is impressive that it's constructed with iron and brick, but is covered by thin sheets of real 23 karat gold that is sealed with a protective layer of sealant to protect it from Iowa's volatile weather. I want to butt in here and tell you that we also did a video on living in Caitlin Clark's hometown. Make sure to watch that after this, as it covers West Des Moines, Iowa. And also, if you're looking to relocate to the state of Iowa, we would love to help you as the Living in Iowa team. We help people from all over the country, just like you, move to this beautiful state. Just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, as we would absolutely love to help you as well. The moment you have all been waiting for is the controversial story I promised you. The Satanic Temple of Iowa displayed a satanic statue that was destroyed by a Mississippi man in charge with a hate crime. That guy was. It was a news story that went national, and if you are watching this from out of state, let me know if you have heard about this. The reason this display was shown was because it is state law that religious displays are allowed on holidays at the Capitol building.